Hey, microphone check, microphone checker. Oh yeah, here we go. I know a lot of you's followed me on this Bermuda since day one, and I'm telling you, it's been a big project. It looks really good. I'm well pleased with it. It does look a little off right now. It's nowhere near as green as it was a month ago because I skinned it down pretty low. I think we went down to a 1/2 inch or a quarter. Can't remember what it was, but I did that to prep it for overseeding. And we're gonna overseed it with ryegrass and Kentucky blue, creating Bermuda. So we're gonna go right down the middle, somewhere right about here. I'm gonna actually get a tape measure and measure it off so I'm dead accurate with it. We'll have Kentucky blue over here, and then we're gonna have ryegrass over here. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And real quick, I want to clear up a few questions. I read the comments in the videos. I don't really get to answer all of them every single time. I wish I did, but I don't. You see me pause for that truck. I'm so used to having to stop when I'm recording, but now that I got this microphone, it makes it a little bit easier. I just hope it's working and don't jack your video up. So one of the questions was, one of the comments was, a gentleman said, why in the world did you work all that hard and get this Bermuda up and now you're gonna kill it and plant something else? Well, that's wrong. I'm not killing anything. As you can see, it's alive and well. I have zero intentions of ever killing this Bermuda grass. Unless God leads me to plant something else here, this Bermuda grass will be the permanent yard. With that said, there's a very common practice among golf courses, among athletic fields, and some homeowners do it as well. The nature of the Bermuda is to go dormant and turn brown during the winter. The first frost hits it. For us, that's typically in the November time frame. And this Bermuda grass will turn paper sack brown and be dull and ugly all year long. That's what it does. There's nothing anybody can do to stop that natural process of this turf going dormant. You can't fertilize it enough. You can't water it enough. You can't talk to it enough. You can't go out there and rub it enough. You can't do anything to stop that natural process from happening. Obviously, if you live in a climate, Texas, Florida, something like that, where you don't get that killing frost, obviously your Bermuda will stay green to some extent. It's the killing frost and the cold temperatures that what sets it back and puts it to sleep. You've heard that phrase a lot, put the yard to sleep for the winter. Well, the Bermuda does that, okay? So I think this gentleman in the comment thought I was gonna kill it and then plant something else. Well, I'm not killing anything. Again, I'm just simply gonna overseed it with a cool season turf. That way I can have color over the winter. I don't wanna walk out my office and look at a nasty dirt brown, paper sack brown yard. It'll drive me crazy. I wanna walk out here and look at some bright, glowing, vibrant stripes is what I want to see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plant the rye and the Kentucky blue. The only reason I'm not doing everything in rye is I just want to see how the Kentucky blue reacts. Oh, holy cow, that's taking it on down right there. Now, I'm going to tell you, this is probably going to be a pretty yucky mow because we just got a boatload of rain yesterday. Look, it's kind of wet, kind of damp, but it is what it is. I got to get this done. We got to get back to aerating seeding Monday, so I have very little time. But look at that. You can see, holy cow, boy, it went on down. Gosh, that's on there tight. One of the things I really like about this Outlet mower, and I don't know, other real mowers may be the same. This is the only one I've ever owned, so I don't know. I don't have anything to compare it to. You just pop that over. Whoop, I forgot, you gotta put the kickstand down. Put this little kickstand down, so all the weight's gonna leave your front end. Oh, good gracious, that's heavy. Ugh. You set that part to the side, and you take this part right here, pop it down in there, line it up. It's got some little holes over here on the side. Pull it in, and you screw this little dial back in, it holds it in place. I guarantee you I'm gonna have to raise the deck on this, because that thing is, that thing is on the ground. That'll probably dig a Bermuda up. I'm gonna make one little tiny swipe right here with it. See what that does, but I guarantee you I'm gonna have to raise that up. I can look at that and tell. That's not terrible. It's not going quite as deep as I thought it was gonna go. It's actually pulling up dirt. I don't like that. So I am going to, I think I'm gonna raise it up. Oh yeah, that's much better. I've just barely got it skimming the ground now. And you can see what it's doing right there. You see I'm just barely raking the top of the ground, and it's cleaning it up really good. And of course it looks a little funky because, like I said, it's wet because we just had a lot of rain, but it is what it is. I got to get it done. In an ideal situation, I would do this when it was dry and not make all the mess and probably get a little bit better result. But I live a thing called life, and I'm super busy and I've got a lot going on, so I do things when I can get them done. Sometimes it may not be perfect time, but at the end of the day, we're gonna work out this time. So hey, I'm gonna finish up here and then go home and get a little supper. At the end of the day, I have opened up the canopy pretty good. And again, the purpose of that is just to see the soil contact. Like, subscribe, and share, and tell all your buddies and stinking gnat. And I guess I'll check you later. See you later.